Welcome back, everyone. All right, so one more thing about where we can call this. So we can call this here, right? So if we go ahead and type that in, we run it, and it works out quite well. But what we can't call it is outside. So if I put this in between these two here, and we're going to go ahead, and you see it gives an error. And if I put this above here, which is kind of in the same space, it's going to give an error here. And the reason is you just simply can't call it outside. You have to call it within the curly brackets. For the most part, you need to put most of your items within the curly brackets. Not all, but most. All right. So again, you can call this from anywhere, and we're going to be learning about how to pass variables in that very shortly. All right. And before we go ahead and do that, though, I just want you to go ahead and actually you can create more of these here. So you can go, watch this. You can go int third main like that, and then what you can do is you can put in a cout statement, and you can say third time is the charm. All right, and I put the /n there, quotes and a semicolon, and then you can go, hello world second main, and then third main. And this is, by the way, case sensitive. Even if you're not in a case-sensitive environment, you should always be case-sensitive, because there will be environments that that make this work. The other thing that I like to do is I like to double-click and copy this and paste it in there just in case I do make a typo. And typos happen. We're all human. All right, so let's go ahead and run this here. And everything works, and you can see everything works exactly the way we want it to. All right, so you can have as many of these functions as you can. And I should probably point out what the difference is between a function and a method. So a function is independent of what we call an object here. And we're going to be talking a little bit about this. And an object, for example, it could be like a game object. It could be, a text box or something like that. If we go ahead and we put a method, we have to attach it to an object in some way, shape, or form, whereas these are, for the most part, functions, although some of them can look a little bit similar. All right, so I just wanted to clear that up. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.